friends, guess what time it is? Empty the dishwasher time. Well, the green light was on, so now it's time to empty the dishes. They're nice and clean. I'm just going to do a couple at a time, just so that I don't drop anything and break it. Sometimes there's water on top of stuff, so you got to be careful. Bring it right to the sink. When you're doing the utensils, be sure to be careful because there could be sharp knives in there.
Let's see. Do you know where the glasses go? Mine have their own special cabinet.
When I'm all done, here's what I have waiting for me.
You said it. More dishes.